Yeah, hello scrappers. I was debating on whether to call this the title a monolith, but actually what it is, it's like a sidewalk light or something you might see in the downtown area. And I think I picked these things up a little over a year ago, 3 of them. And that might make a good video. Picked up a bunch of other lights at the same time, and they had some big transformers in it. And I don't remember. The video's back there somewhere, a good year back. But I had a lot of lights, a lot of aluminum out of the deal. It's a long-winded screw. It goes. Not sticking to the magnet, so it might be stainless. I'll set it aside. I think these are just plastic. And I'm pretty sure that one there is got a magnet here somewhere. I've got them everywhere. Yep, not sticking. I'm going to stick this on the scale real quick and just get an idea. With the scale boot up, just on this lid, it's a pound or so, I would say. Phew, I was off. Like 3 pounds 4 ounces. So yeah. Not sure what the whole thing weighs. I don't think there's a whole lot to these things. It looks like about a 7/16. And I've got one here for the... No, smaller than that. I guess about a 3/8. So let's see. Yeah, that one will work. I've got these things out there buried under my aluminum pile. I'm finally getting dug out to them. That thing just snapped off. It's so rusty. And chances are this piece here is aluminum, so I may have to grind it here. Yeah, it's not sticking there, but it is sticking here. I can hit it on the little grinder here real quick. Yep, that's aluminum. Yeah, sometimes things can be nice and shiny like that, and they can actually fool you. You're thinking it's aluminum and it end up being plastic. So now, got to figure how does this piece come out of here. Okay, I see a couple Phillips head screws. So we'll go that route. It's got these 2 extended bolts in opposite corners, and it's got in the other 2 corners it's got the Phillips. let's see. I think I'm going to go ahead and get the angle grinder and cut the nuts off of here where that'll slide off. And so if you're wearing earbuds, turn your volume down. Or pull them out of your ears for a second. I'm going to hit the angle grinder. Decided to leave them a little long in case I got to get on them with vice grips or something. And I'll check this one real quick. Definitely metal. Magnet doesn't stick. And I got just 2 flathead screws down in there. Yeah, when I'm kind of hearing around the country and whatnot, prices are all over the place. Some people are saying $60, $70, $80 a ton, and other people are $140, $160. So, you know, in a way, it makes no sense. But then, well, a few months ago, a lot of these guys are getting what, $200, $250, doing really good, and it was still like $140 or something here. And this one's probably aluminum too. So, set that aside. And the socket looks, for the micro scrappers, that looks like it's brass. And now let's see what we got here. I'm going to check that with a magnet. It looks like just the clip on it looks like it's looks like this little piece here. Magnet's not sticking, so the whole thing going across is aluminum, but you got a little clip that pushes on there that's for the threaded part, and that's the only place the magnet's sticking. I'll be able to stick this one in the vise. Probably put some vice grips on it and get it out of there. That one unscrewed, so. And actually I think that upright is aluminum too, because it doesn't seem to be sticking. I threw the other 2 into the shred bucket, so I'll see if I can find them. So what I can do with these, let's see, get that screwdriver back. This clip should just slide right off. I guess I kind of trying to keep my head out of the way. There we go. They are now off. So this is ready to sell for clean aluminum. Take that out in the pile later. And this piece that came out of them, looks like it's possibly all aluminum too, pretty much. Got a nice little transformer here. Yeah, pretty much everything here is aluminum. So, again. Still got the other. Still got the nut that broke off there. Yeah, I can't quite get on it with that, so I'm gonna have to. May have to get on there with a wrench and then try to break it loose with a flathead screwdriver. I get my big one. Yeah, that's not going to work, is it? Yeah, I might just do it the easy way here in a minute. Just get in there with the Sawzall, I think, and just cut that sucker. It doesn't want to, can't hardly get into it with that. Have to have a pretty thin-walled socket to get down in there. Wow, that doesn't hardly want to get in there either. Well, I think I got another idea. Because I tightened down on that, they had to put a piece over here too. So I think I can, here we go. There it is. So we got quite a bit of aluminum. I'm not sure about you guys in your areas, but gas prices have dropped about 40 cents here. They were, for 100% gas, they were a little, just over $5. And the other day I got gas for $4.60. So I was happy to see that. But still a long way from where it should be, needs to be. With the high gas prices and low scrap prices, that's not helping at all. Makes it hard on scrappers. Like I said, I think in the last video or one before that, but I'm glad I'm not doing this for a living. The price is fluctuating and all the time. And before I end this video, I'm going to grab the angle grinder again, so go ahead and plug your ears. I'm going to check this transformer and find out if it's all copper or aluminum. The ones I had before, they were big old things and they were all solid copper. Here we go. And we've got copper on both sides. Yeah, copper on both sides. So I've got two more to do, but I'm not gonna bore you guys for another 20-30 minutes tearing those two down. One just like the one, and the one's missing the top already. But I wanted to show you a little project I worked on the last few days. I'm getting older, get things that are heavy, so I put up this unistrut. I just had to purchase those off of eBay. There's little brackets there, and they were about 18 something, 19 a piece. I've seen some for like 22, and then I made a little piece of angle iron bracket, hang it on. I put basically to the first 3 rafters here, and then I skipped a rafter, and then I got one at the very end. And 10 foot piece of unistrut at Lowe's was about $35, and I cut that down to 7.5 foot. And where the bolt goes into the unistrut here, the nut doesn't give it clearance, so the little trolley piece hits and stops. That's why I had to use these here to get clearance. So that way I can roll something in here and hoist it up, and then swing it over and set it on the bench, or just hoist it up and work on it while it's suspended. I've had the little chain hoist for quite some time, and I've got another one just like it, and I've got a big one. So, but I figure basically, you know, the weight lifting is going to be between these first two joists, and then swing it over, and where I'll be setting it down will be almost directly beneath that one there. So it should work out. I haven't hoisted anything up on it yet, but it's good and solid. So thought I'd show you guys that little improvement I made to the shop. I'm sure it'll come in handy eventually, some of them big compressors or something. Now I have to stack all this aluminum off to the side, clean the workbench, probably tear these other two down, and then I think a leather sheet aluminum. I'll throw my barrel in there, and these big pieces I'll just stick them out in my storage area. I imagine they would call that extruded, because I don't really think that's sheet. Looks like it's been run through an extruder to get them nice square corners. So I guess I'll call it quits on this video, and we'll see you guys in the next. I want to remind everybody about my Amazon affiliate link. I got lots of consumables and some tools I use there that I highly recommend. They've been working well for me. And I put the brackets there on the affiliate link, and that little trolley piece is on there. So if anybody wants to build one of these, I think all in all it run me right about $100. So, and right now with scrap prices down, it's probably not good project time. You're not bringing in the funds to fund the projects. So I'll let you guys go, and we'll see you in the next video. So happy scrapping, everybody. Bye bye.